Good evening, folks. Welcome to the first video on the little Meteor. She's a little 350cc Meteor, and I have just put on the TEC gear conversion. Basically, I don't know if you guys know a lot about the Royal Enfield Meteor 350s, but this model actually comes with a heel and toe shifter. So instead of having the gear selector and you cog it down for first and up the rest, it's actually down into first, and there's a bar with a pivot, and then you actually use your heel to click down, technically up, through the gears. So it's first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Once you're used to it, it's all right. And a lot of people say it's a lot of character. But personally, I didn't like it. Felt a little bit weak. It would go into gear, but you couldn't really get that click, that nice feel like you do with a normal gear selector on a motorbike. So we've changed that. And I am going to take it out for a blast in the next couple of days, which I'll be doing a POV video and giving you my thoughts, really. The company was called TEC. They're a family-owned business. They produce a lot of the parts in-house. And yeah, they do loads of bits for not just these, but they do loads of bits for Triumph. And yeah, basically anything that you want made, they can probably put you in the right direction if they can't make it themselves. But yeah, so I'll show you this little selector now. So the black piece was the original gear selector, where you'd have to go click down into first on your toe, and then your heel, where my thumb is, would be click into second, third, fourth, and then fifth. That wasn't exactly strong, and it wasn't really clicking much into gears, but this piece of kit is awesome from TEC. You can actually feel it engage in the gear, and it does give you that satisfying click into gear. Whereas that was giving you like, I'm in first, I'm in second. You know what gear you're in with that. Yeah, as I was saying, TEC Bike Parts, TECBikeParts.com. They do loads of bits, absolutely loads of bits. They've got your universal custom modifications. You got your BSA range, your Royal Enfields, quite a few Royal Enfields. Air-cooled bits and bobs, water-cooled bits and bobs, and yeah, some really good and interesting parts in here. Lots and lots of bits. Yeah, so that's a quick little look at the TEC shifter, which took literally 10 minutes to put on. It was really simple. The instructions were good. Yeah, they give you all new bolts and stuff like you imagine they give you. So yeah, all good. I have got a pillion backrest because there is a special someone who will be coming out on a spin. See that soon. Yeah, so we'll see what happens to the bike. Is it going to stay like this from long? Is it going to be different exhaust? Who knows? I am really tempted to put the DNA filter, I think it is, and change the exhaust system, because it is meant to bring out a little bit more power. Let's be honest, it's a 350cc single. It's not going to set the world alight. I live in Wales. You know, everything's 20 mile an hour here at the minute. Still. So setting land speed records is not high on my agenda. But yeah, we'll see how much of a little thump we can get out of it, I think. So far I'm impressed with it. So, short and sweet video. I will be taking the bike out in the next couple of days now, do a POV video and give you a proper rundown of the gear selector. But yeah, it is really crunching first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Not crunching, but you know what I mean. You can actually feel it engage in the gear, which is nice.